Okay, listen. What if you could have your most amazing blog, website, or sales funnel filled with stunning graphics and images minutes from now, without the headaches of learning design, coding, or technical skills? Mind-blowing designs you once imagined, ready in minutes to start getting you a ton of sales without waiting on anyone ever again. That's right, professional quality A-grade designs in just a few mouse clicks. Listen, it doesn't matter what business you're in. If you're a newbie or experienced marketer, entrepreneur, influencer, blogger, an author, or software creator, you need high-quality logos, box shots, covers, mock-ups, bundles, graphics, illustrations, and much more to showcase your products and services on stunning web pages for the world to see. But getting these made just the way you need them and on time is the number one headache of getting started online. You're stuck and your business never takes off. A problem everyone faces. We get it. We've tried everything graphics and design. We've designed ourselves, outsourced to freelancers, and even hired a team in-house. We've lost countless months waiting on others and hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. It's frustrating because you have a business to run. You don't have the time or patience to chase freelancers, designers, or agencies to get your graphics. You don't have the money to keep paying for graphics, or for little changes here and there every time. It takes minutes, yet for some reason it takes forever to get them back. So you're frustrated and try it yourself. One software after another, and you're getting nowhere near the quality your competitors have who are crushing it. Now listen, what if you could instantly get the incredible graphics and designs to transform your business or service, your ugly blogs, websites, and sales funnels into electrifying and powerful sales machines overnight? Breathtaking designs that perfectly represent you, your business, crushes your competition, and gets you sales.